Hello. In today's video, we are going to continue with our ChatGPT class. So today we are going to learn how to use ChatGPT to paraphrase our article, our news, or whatever stuff we may want to paraphrase. So all we have to do is to go to the website of ChatGPT. So once you are at the website of ChatGPT, all you need to do is to give ChatGPT what you want ChatGPT to do for you. So in this case, we are going to tell ChatGPT to paraphrase rewrite and paraphrase so rewrite and paraphrase this news into a news report, but in a different form and style. Different form and style with the same information. So now all we have to do is to bring our news. We may want ChatGPT to paraphrase for us. So let's take our news from Google News. Nigeria. Okay. Wednesday, 24th July, 2024. So this is the news we are going to copy and go back to ChatGPT. Tell ChatGPT to paraphrase for us. Of course, we have already given ChatGPT the instruction of what we want from ChatGPT. So all we have to do now, copy this, go and paste to ChatGPT. So this is it. We copy, come back to ChatGPT and paste. Okay, send to ChatGPT so ChatGPT can do exactly what we ask. So guys, this is exactly what or how you should go about to paraphrase or rewrite an article, news report, or whatever you may want ChatGPT to rewrite and paraphrase for you. So if we go through this very news, everything is now change. The style of the news is different from the one we took from Google News. And because of that, we can use this one to do a news report, do a news video, or whatever. It's belong to us now because ChatGPT have paraphrased it for us that we don't have any issue with copyright material. Thank you for being with us, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video, you'll be the first person to notify.